So, good day viewers, I am here to present you about the SET. Ako nga pala si Rombal Bago from College of Education. SET, this is my report. Then, I have 3 objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students shall be able to define SET and the different kinds of SET, explain the various sets relations, use the law of algebra of SET in proving identities. Introductions. As we are thinking of persons, things in this world, we often sort them into collections, classes, or groups. More often, we describe these particular collections as constellation for the collections of the stars, groups as a team for basketball, assembly for group of people, and etc. In mathematics, the basic concept used is the word set. Set is a collection of well-defined ideas, persons, numbers, and objects called elements. So, yung set daw, yun yung parang isang collection, isang group, parang isa siyang collection ng mga, it can be things, people, and etc. What is elements or members? Elements, yun yung nasa loob ng sets. Kunyari, sa isang set, nandun yung blue, yellow, black. So yung blue, yellow, black, yun yung elements or members. We can use symbols. These symbols, we can use these symbols as to represent the element. And it is noted here that capital letters are used to represent the sets, and the small letters represent the elements. So, kunyari, ang example ko ay S equals, open parenthesis, A, B, C, close parenthesis. So, yung A na nasa simula, kailangan yung malaki. Tapos yung mga elements sa loob, kailangan ng small letters. Then, example, number 1. If M consists of vowel letters in English alphabet, then M equals, open parenthesis, A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U, close parenthesis. So, example number 2. If Ivan, Miguel, and Nathan are kids of Santos family, then I can say S equals, open parenthesis, Ivan, comma, Miguel, comma, Nathan, close parenthesis. Those are the examples of sets. 2 ways to list the elements of the sets. So, ibig sabihin nito, parang may 2 ways kung paano natin isulat yung set. It's either Rooster method or rule method. Sa Rooster method, ang way niya ay yung kaninang example ng set. Yung P equals, open parenthesis, A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U, close parenthesis. And in rule method, we use braces and also commas. Then, example number 2, the sets of letters used to form the word class can be written as M equals, open parenthesis, C, comma, L, comma, A, comma, S, close parenthesis. Mapapansin nyo na isa lang yung S na nilagay dyan because it is noted here that the same letter in one line must write only once. So, and then, this is the rule method, the second way. Then, dito naman sa rule A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U, close parenthesis, can be written as P equals, open parenthesis, X, then vertical bar, X is a vowel in the Filipino alphabet. The vertical bar, yung parang, yung tuwid na bar ay used there as, is read as such that X is a vowel of the Filipino alphabet. Example number W is a set of whole numbers such that x is less than 4 can be stated as W equals open brace x